Guess what it is? Yes, hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Yeah, you're right, pineapple grilled with some sugar and cinnamon. This is a very typical in South America, especially in Brazil dish, which is in every churrascaria and on the weekends grill you may find. We're gonna start with a pineapple. You get a big one or maybe two because it's very tasty. I'm sure you will love it. Just peel it off, remove the crown, and make also the bottom part of the pineapple, and the top part is the easiest way to peel it because it's kind of safe. Yeah, then I'm using my bread knife, which is easier to peel it off. Like you see, try to remove all the small eyes you got at the pineapples. Quite easy, just like that. In my country, we do with a peel of the ananas, a drink with some sugar and just fermentate it. I haven't done it. It's sometimes too much sugar, but it's an idea how to make it fermented pineapple drink, just to say like that. I haven't done it in a while because when I did it, it was a lot of sugar and I was quite young, and now it's just another way of cooking. Well, just like that, I'm gonna peel off a second pineapple, but in between I'm gonna clean this area. I'm gonna finish the first pineapple and then I will continue with the second one. Like you see, we're gonna just make my sword for the grill, just in the middle, and carefully just through the pineapple. Yeah, and just carefully we're gonna just place it there. Quite easy. Yeah, this is the one I have for when I do picanhas or chicken or any other things. Well, in another place, a small bowl, I'm gonna use 1.5 teaspoon of cinnamon and 3 cups of sugar. I'm using this time for 2 pineapples. Just like that, you see, just mix it. It's a powder. You can reduce or even avoid the sugar. It's up to you. It depends on the pineapple. And after that, you're just gonna cover like you are making a rub for the ananas, or like the pineapple. Sorry, you're making a rub just like that, every part of it, and then you are just ready to grill it. Just grill it in between the meat while you are cooking. Just cooking the meat and eating the meat. Just eat the pineapple in between or at the end. It's just very nice. It's a kind of digestive. It's very tasty. I'm sure you will like it. Once you taste it, you will make it twice. I'm sure of it because I do. So if you like the video so far to here, hit the thumb up button, subscribe to the channel, and of course leave that thumb up. Look, I grilled it on the side carefully while we were eating, not straight to the fire. I'm just gonna finish it straight to the fire right now. The open fire, just like that. You see, you gotta be very careful. You have to be next to it, otherwise you're gonna burn it. Yeah, make sure you're next to it in just a few minutes, just to melt a little bit the sugar, make a caramel with the pineapple juices together. Thank you very much and see you.